Today, I will show you how to collect travel offers data from any website automatically, no code required, and an API is available if you want it. I am going straight to the page with the results already showing. Now, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top. With the extension open, hit I'm on the right page, so Minexa can scan the page automatically. Minexa just located the main list of results on the page. At this point, choose whether you want to scrape just the list or also the detail page each result links to. Continue works here, but Advanced lets you define clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before the list loads. The highlighted section is your data container. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa reads it once, then extracts the same data from similar pages. All data fields are here, like flight times, prices, hotel names, and links. Select what you need, and they stay accurate across every run. If you are a developer, click API Request to get ready to run Python code. Just add your URLs and go. Finalize the scraper by clicking Complete Configuration to save your settings. Minexa spotted the navigation automatically, so full page coverage is built into the scraper. Final screen. Set a schedule if you want fresh data automatically, then click Complete Setup. Hit Run, and the extraction is underway. The scraper handled JavaScript rendering and dynamic loading automatically, so you never had to configure anything. Typical data includes flight times, prices, hotel options, and links to details, all captured in clean tables. Hit Export and open the file straight away in Excel or any spreadsheet tool. No code, no technical knowledge, no extra costs. Minexa works for anyone needing web data and scales to any volume developers require.